When charged, you know, even Impala must have given a court order, adjusting people, court orders on the information form that is people in Zimbabwe, and we are yet to send the statement. The people are abducting. So what I'm saying, Takudzwa Ngadziore, they are someone's brother, they are someone's sister, they are someone's brother. So we are here to make a statement that in my Makomborero, we're also in charge. And we are giving an ultimatum. If you come and continue coming here and enabling abductions in Zimbabwe, we are also making sure here also stop operating. So we are giving you an ultimatum. Number one, you must go and withdraw the charges against Takudzwa Ngadziore. Number two, you must obey the High Court order and release information people who are abducting citizens in Zimbabwe, young people in Zimbabwe. And this is a continuous thing, and we are continuing it. We are here. Today we came to look, we are in charge with the keys. You look, Takudzwa Ngadziore in prison, Takudzwa Ngadziore.
Yes, some students, they have to release our commander now. If they don't do that, we are going to shut down all colleges and all universities.
Abductions are a crime against humanity. You may think you are clever, but it happened even in Rwanda, even in Germany. You, the people who are enabling, there will come time that you will pay. But as of now, we are going to make sure that as citizens, we impose our own sanctions. So, my kids, we have keys to Impala. We're in charge.
We're in charge.
Well, I see my message. And the thing, it's not
it's really our commander now.
But you have the keys. I'm not going to look at Takudzwa Ngadziore. It's not what I'm looking at.
Boycott Impala.